Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on an exciting journey to discover what our world can teach us and why we should learn it. This journey will help you understand more about tools that can improve our experience in this one-way trip we call life. If you decide to take your ticket to the world of artificial intelligence, you can check out the bio, where we did the hard work of finding a great platform for you to learn. So now, let's explore the question, why should we learn AI? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, learning, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. This technology is not just a futuristic concept. It is already embedded in many aspects of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, artificial intelligence is transforming how we interact with technology. By simulating human intelligence, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, adapt to new information, and perform complex calculations with remarkable efficiency. As we continue to integrate AI into various facets of society, understanding and leveraging its potential becomes increasingly important. The excitement of learning AI. Learning AI is one of the most exciting and rewarding pursuits you can undertake today. It's a field that promises not only to revolutionize industries, but also to transform our daily lives in ways we can barely imagine. The potential of this technology extends far beyond the realms of science fiction. It's here and now, making a tangible impact. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to simplify your life, boost your productivity, and open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. The journey into this field is not just about learning a new skill. It's about equipping yourself with the tools to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Omnipresence in daily life. One of the most compelling reasons to learn about AI is its omnipresence in our lives. From the smartphones we use to the cars we drive, intelligent systems are integrated into many facets of our daily routine. Understanding AI gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how these technologies work and empowers you to take full advantage of their capabilities. You'll no longer be just a consumer of technology, but an informed participant, able to leverage these tools to enhance your personal and professional life. Boosting personal productivity. Consider how AI can transform your personal productivity. Intelligent applications can manage your schedule, prioritize your tasks, and even remind you of important deadlines. Tools like virtual assistants, think Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, can handle mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on more meaningful activities. By learning about artificial intelligence, you can customize these tools to better fit your needs, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. Professional advantages. In your professional life, AI can be a game changer. Imagine having an intelligent system that can analyze massive datasets in seconds, providing insights that would take humans days or weeks to uncover. This kind of capability is invaluable in fields like marketing, finance, healthcare, and more. By learning about these technologies, you can improve your decision-making processes, leading to more informed and effective strategies. It's like having a superpower that gives you an edge over the competition. Creativity and entertainment. Artificial intelligence also plays a significant role in creativity and entertainment. Tools powered by these systems can help you compose music, create art, and even write stories. If you're a content creator, AI can analyze audience preferences and suggest topics that are likely to engage your followers. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content resonates with your audience. The synergy between intelligent systems and creativity is a fertile ground for innovation. And by learning about AI, you can be at the forefront of this exciting intersection, enhancing learning experiences. Moreover, AI can enhance your learning experience. Educational platforms driven by artificial intelligence personalize learning pathways, adapting to your strengths and weaknesses. They can provide you with resources tailored to your learning style, making the process more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're learning a new language, a complex scientific concept, or a musical instrument, these intelligent systems can be your personal tutor, guiding you through each step with precision and patience. Revolutionizing healthcare. the impact of AI on healthcare is nothing short of revolutionary. Algorithms powered by this technology can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, assist in diagnosing diseases, and even predict health risks based on your genetic information. For individuals, this means more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. By understanding artificial intelligence, you can better navigate the healthcare system, making informed decisions about your health and well-being. Powered smart homes. Intelligent systems are also transforming the way we interact with our environment. Smart home devices, powered by AI, can learn your preferences and habits, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even security settings to suit your lifestyle. Imagine coming home to a house that has already adjusted itself to your preferred settings, making your living space more comfortable and efficient. Learning about AI gives you the knowledge to optimize these systems, making your home truly smart. In transportation is another area where AI is making significant strides. Self-driving cars, for instance, use this technology to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. Even if fully autonomous vehicles are not yet the norm, intelligent systems are already helping drivers with features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and collision detection. Understanding the technology behind these advancements can make you a more informed and safer driver. Solving global problems, artificial intelligence is not just about convenience and efficiency. It also has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. From climate change to poverty, these systems can analyze complex data and suggest solutions that were previously unimaginable. For example, AI can optimize energy usage in buildings, predict natural disasters, and even assist in the development of sustainable agriculture practices. By learning about these technologies, you can contribute to global efforts, using your knowledge to make a positive impact on the world. As a career opportunity, moreover, the field of AI is a rapidly growing job market. Skills in this area are in high demand across various industries, offering lucrative career opportunities. Whether you're interested in becoming a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or an AI researcher, the possibilities are vast and varied. By investing your time in learning about AI, you're not just gaining knowledge. You're securing a future-proof career in a dynamic and evolving field. Critical thinking and problem-solving. Learning about AI also fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The process of developing intelligent models involves understanding complex algorithms, analyzing data, and troubleshooting issues. These skills are transferable to many other areas of life and work, enhancing your overall cognitive abilities. Plus, the satisfaction of solving a challenging problem with artificial intelligence can be incredibly rewarding. Lifelong learning. Furthermore, AI encourages lifelong learning. The field is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and advancements being made regularly. This continuous learning process keeps your mind sharp and engaged, fostering a sense of curiosity and wonder. By immersing yourself in AI, you're embarking on a journey of perpetual growth and development. The fun of learning. Lastly, learning about AI is simply fun. The joy of creating something intelligent, watching it learn, adapt, and improve is immensely gratifying. Whether you're developing a simple chatbot or a complex machine learning model, the process is engaging and intellectually stimulating. AI offers a perfect blend of creativity, logic, and innovation, making it a fascinating field to explore. In conclusion, learning AI is not just about acquiring a new skill. It's about transforming your life and the world around you. From enhancing personal productivity to solving global challenges, the applications of artificial intelligence are vast and varied. By understanding AI, you equip yourself with the tools to navigate and thrive in the modern world. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI and unlock your potential today. And that brings us to the end of this episode. We hope you enjoyed this journey and learned something new about the amazing tools that can enhance our life experiences. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of AI, be sure to check out the description below. We've recommended a great platform to help you expand your knowledge. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.